Let's go.
What's up, y'all? Well, look, we're back out on the bay, but not on our boat. Our boat's in the shop. It really sucks that it's not working right now. But hey, we got good friends. Look who we're with today. It's all good fishing, Raul. What's up, man? Thank you for taking us out today.
Anytime.
Hell yeah. You know, it's always good to have friends. We're out here. It's beautiful morning. Whoa. Oh, why? Easy, Raul. Got it? Well, almost had a fish on first thing in the morning. Well, hopefully we can get some nice ones today. All right, you guys, let's get them. Let's go. There you go. All right, fish on. Oh, there we go.
Who wants to net them?
Tighten up your reel. I can if you want.
All right. Yeah.
I think you might be tangled up with that one then.
Huh? With this one?
Yeah.
No, he's okay. He's clear.
Just go up and down, bro.
Yeah, reel down and lift softly.
Is there fish on there?
Yeah.
Feels like it's...
Don't lift his head out of the water.
Don't lift his head out of the water?
Yeah, don't lift him out of the water. Just bring him right to the surface.
Oh yeah, there it is.
Lift.
Reel all the way down?
All right. First one of the morning.
All right, first fish on the board. Got the skunk off the boat.
Let's go. It's the right time too. Let's drag it.
Is it? Is it? Is it?
Sure. It's like 23, 24.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's it.
Probably like an inch.
All right. All right, got one keep rolling. It's been a tough morning, but we're at it. Let's keep on going. Let's get another one. Oh, yeah.
Gonna need on that.
No. Oh, Nat, please. All right. Little dinker. How big?
26.
He won't close his mouth.
Yeah, almost 25. Nice. Nice fish. Hell yeah. That's two in the box. Let's go.
Yeah, let's go.
Oh yeah, good shit.
Right on. Hell yeah.
Oh, he threw up.
Look at that. Oh, shiners, huh?
Yeah. Feed the line.
No, he let go.
Feed the line. Feed the line. Feed the line. Yep.
That was hard.
Yeah, that was a hell. Yeah, put it back on there.
I just looked back only for a second.
breaking the beat, huh?
Yeah. When they do that, try to give it line like right away.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah, they may come back for it.
Yep. No, you're good.
Somebody has to net him, huh? All right, David has a fish. This would be our third.
Hey,
one.
maybe reel yours in. Yeah.
Hey!
Oh, it's a good one. Maybe not a good one.
Oh yeah, that's
Hold on, I'll bring it right up to you.
all right.
Good job.
Good job.
Yep,
David.
hell yeah.
Our
Yeah.
third one. Will be pretty close. But
Yeah, I think it's gonna be close. Go ahead, you can drop yours out. You want to measure? It's okay, man. Yeah, it's probably about 20.
Might be the biggest one on the net.
All right. I like the sound of that.
Almost 24.
24, almost just under 24. Nice.
that's our your third one?
Hell yeah. Third one in the box.
That's exactly the 24.
24, I like it. Oh, don't pull.
I think it's tagged. Oh shit, it's not a tag.
No, that's good. That's a good one.
It's like a striper.
Yeah, take your time. Take your time. Take your time. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's a nice one. Reel. Now lift. Come this way. Oh. Don't lift them out of the water. There you go. Good job. Hell yeah, good job. That's a nice one. Hell yeah, nice limit, man. Hell yeah. Hell yeah, good job. Hell yeah, good shit. Hell yeah. That's what, another, 26, huh? That's probably 20, closer to 28.
Good job.
All right, what is it?
Just this.
Yeah, you're not happy.
Just put your finger there.
Yeah, just put your finger there.
26 3/4.
Nice, almost 27. Hell yeah, you guys, that's 4 in the box. Let's go. Hell yeah, getting them. There you go.
There you go.
Oh, good one.
Yeah.
Lift his rod.
He's gonna keep going that way. Are you gonna go underneath him? Please. That's pretty short.
Oh, I think it came off. Yep.
All right. Oh, turn on my camera, David, please, in the front.
Oh, where's it at?
Huh?
Where's Raul's camera?
Over here.
Oh.
Got it?
Babe, come help drive. All right, Raul's hooked up.
Told you go closer to the pier.
Oh, straighten it out right there. Reel all the way down. There we go.
Good job, dude.
Oh, nice. Hell yeah.
All right. Oh. Good job, man.
Good job, Raul.
Thank you.
Sure.
Stay right along there.
I don't know why you're
That's a good one.
Oh yeah, that's a nice one.
Told you, Dave. We had limits if you.
Oh yeah, okay. You're welcome to drive.
Now we're gonna catch the fish.
Yeah, Raul was just saying it too. We're gonna catch a nice one. Hell yeah, look at that. Nice good fish. Yeah, probably like a 24.
Still a keeper, though.
Here, go ahead and measure him. I'll deal with that.
Yep, nice.
Where's my camera? Give me my camera.
Yep. Oh, babe.
Yeah.
Reel in. Reel it in together. Hey, can you drive? It's just like a car. Let me grab that net behind you. Oh, sorry. I know, 2 big guys can't fit right here. Coming back.
There you go. That's a mine.
That's my fish.
Hold on.
That's my fish.
Whoa. Oh, wait, babe.
Let the
Loose.
drag loose. Amanda, it's on mine. Okay.
Steve, switch sides. Go.
On the fucking drop, dude.
Babe, reel in a little bit.
Let's go!
Yeah. There we go. Oh yeah, that's a good one.
26?
Yeah, I would say 20, 25, 26. $25 and a half. Hell yeah, nice limit.
Oh.
All right, y'all, well, we're heading back in. It's getting pretty rough out there. That wind's getting nasty. All right, we'll see you back in with some pictures of the fish. All right, guys, well, that's it. Man, well, we didn't have our own boat, but it's all good. Helped us out and took us out today, and then we had a blast. Weather was beautiful all morning until this afternoon wind, and I don't know if you can hear it, but man, it's pretty bad out there. It got pretty choppy. All right, but we had a blast. Raul, I want to thank you so much for taking us.
Anytime,
You know, we had a blast. You know, we love fishing with you and just meeting up with you every time. So thank you, appreciate it, man.
I want to thank you guys for coming by. I mean, it's always a good time to be out there. If you guys are broken down or I'm broken down, we help each other out.
Yeah.
So I had a good time out there with you guys, and we did pretty good. We caught 6 fish. So.
Oh yeah, good times,
Thank
right?
you, bro.
Oh yeah, good times. All right, guys. Well, we're on vacation next couple weeks. Until then, peace. Thailand.